Come with me as I work out to become 350-pound human. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and freezing cold. I'm gonna do some Muay Thai at Krudar. Let's get it. All right, Monday, December 8th, 6 a.m. in the morning. It is freaking cold, man. We're back at it again. Hopefully back to a regular gym schedule. Spent the last couple weeks away. So they say it takes 21 days to create a habit, and this is my first class in like 21 days, so hopefully starting a new habit again. So just to recap, 3 weeks ago spent the week away house sitting for my friend Matt and Minnie. They went on a cruise with their family, so I had to house sit for their dogs. And then the week after was American Thanksgiving. Spent that in Colorado, beautiful Colorado. Spent some time with Luke and his family. Got to enjoy American Thanksgiving, which was pretty cool as a Canadian. And then last week we hit 2 workouts. Weight training with Daniel. I'm gonna be honest, I did not wake up for Muay Thai, even though I tried to multiple times. I don't know, a combination of warm ass bed and sore from the weight training. I don't know, but either way, back at it again on Monday. So excited to get back at it. This is the first week that I'm doing proper meal prep. So shout out to Matt. And we're gonna try something new where every Sunday I go to his crib and we do some meal prep. So we've prepped 3 meals a day, Monday to Friday. The first meal we did is kind of like a Korean rice chicken bake. Throw some rice, broth, Korean spices, chicken, frozen broccoli in a container, bake it for 40 minutes, and then you have that. The second meal we put together is kind of like this, like hamburger helper style, lean protein pasta, lean ground beef, herbs, onions, garlic, baked together, cheese, and portioned out. And then the third meal is a pesto, spinach, yogurt, chicken kind of meal. So the whole idea is have the meals ready on hand, so you're not tempted to eat junk food and stuff like that. So we'll see how it works. Excited to do it. Really grateful for Matt's help. He's a better planner at this kind of stuff than I am. So, learn a few things and try something new. So I'm really excited to do that. Spent the weekend having a lot of fun this last weekend. So spent Saturday with my hat friends. We did a little meetup at St. Louis Wings. So shout out to everyone who made it, and people that couldn't. Hopefully we can meet up with you guys next time. But had a lot of fun kind of meeting up. The Leafs didn't make that trip or that event fun. I mean, they blew it in a shootout to Montreal, but I mean, the Leafs would be Leafs, I guess. And then yesterday, spent some time meal prepping at Matt's house, and then got to celebrate Pooner's 40th birthday, so that was a fun little get together. So coming in heavy on the social stuff, which is cool. You know, it's holiday season, get to meet up with multiple people, and then back at the gym today. Tomorrow we'll be getting to go to the NBA Cup, Knicks versus Raptors, so that's exciting. But yeah, I'll catch you guys after the workout. All right, 7:06 and freezing. It is fucking cold. What a workout. Shout out to Lawrence for running a great class. Shout out to Neil for holding the pads for me. I almost threw up today. That was gross. It was a good workout. I'm still tired. But glad I did it, man. I am pooped. It's gonna take a while to get back into the grind. Unfortunately, 3 weeks off. It is what it is. So back at it again tomorrow with leg day, weight training with Daniel, and then Wednesday class with Neil, and then Friday, and then Thursday more weight training, and then Friday again for another class. So until then, thank you all for rocking it with me, getting back into the habit now that we're back from our little mini workcation and a couple days off. So good to be back in the grind. See you guys again Wednesday, if not Friday. But good to be back and rocking with you guys. We're out of here. Peace.